Hello and welcome! In this video, I'll be unboxing the 3 Pokemon Funko Pop vinyl figures released in November 2024. We have Alolan Raichu, Quaxly, and Mimikyu. Let's start off by checking out Alolan Raichu. Here we have the front of the box, the side, the back showing the set, the other side, the top, and the bottom. Now let's carefully pop the top and slide it out. Okay. So this one is attached to a stand because of its design. It has a bit of a rattle, so hopefully there's nothing broken inside of it. Anyway, so here we have Alolan Raichu surfing on its tail, held up by a stand. Looks super cute. Nice detail work. Let's have a good 360 view of it. Awesome. And that is that. There's the top and the bottom view. Kind of see some of the details there. And now we can move on to Quaxly. Oh, I just noticed the damage on the box. That is from the manufacturer, not from the opening. Disappointing. Oh well, anyway. Put that back there. Let's continue with Quaxly. So here we have the front, side, back, other side, top and bottom. Now let's carefully pop the top. There we go. And slide it out. No damage on this one. Very inconvenient time to get a message though. I didn't expect the notification sounds to play. Sorry about that. Okay, so next up we have Quaxly. Very fierce, angry little duck. Let's have a nice 360 view. This one was delayed compared to the other two, so I had to wait for it to come in before I could do the unboxing. There we have that one, and top view, and the bottom view. And now we can chuck that back there, and move on to Mimikyu. If I'm not mistaken, this is our first ghost type. I'm looking up at my wall at the moment, trying to see if any of the other ones up there are ghosts, but nope. I think this is our first, so it's our first ghost backing plate for a Pokemon, so we'll check that out as well. Here we have the front, the side, the back, the other side, the top, and the bottom. Let's carefully pop the top. Awesome. And slide it out. And also slide out the backing card for this, because we need to check out the artwork. So this is the backing card for the ghost type. Super cool, very simple, but you know exactly what you need. We'll slide that back in now. It's a nice little touch with the Pokemon Funkos. Okay. Open this up. So here we have Mimikyu. It's adorable. It's got its tiny little eyes up there and then its fake eyes up there. Okay. So looking super cute. Nice detail work on it. Let's have a good 360 view. Awesome. And then the top view and the bottom view. Focus, please. There we go. At least one of them focused nicely. And then that is it. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of these pops? Have you bought any of them self? Sorry, excuse me. Have you bought any of them yourself? Or do you want to? Like the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do unboxings and video gameplay. And other than that, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, and goodbye.